Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my Angular course. Up to now we have seen about this Angular routing, right? So up to now we have seen, so these all the what we can say URLs changing is working fine. So for us, so if I get these all things, it's working fine. It's not a problem. Edit user and all those things are working fine. But now if somebody comes here and types something, okay, type some gibberish or anything, if they type something, and if I want to check this all the code, okay, so if I press enter here, I may get an output. We are getting an error that we cannot find any, cannot match any routes. So that means here, so here it is telling that the route what you are mentioning, so the it is not found. Yeah, fine, correct, it's fine. So the route we have not mentioned any route here. So how we can redirect these type of things to the 404 page? So if you have observed in any web pages and websites or anything, if you find any file, any URLs like this other than that is not present in the web page, so we will be sending it to the 404 page, okay, custom 404 page, not per standard 404 what the browser will give you. So we will be designing our own custom 404 page and we will be sending the user to that page, okay. Now how we can design that custom 404? So somebody enters any web, any route that is not present in our thing, we need to send him to some other page, okay, the let's say not found page. How we can send to him? So how we can send that guy? Okay, now we will see here. Now first let's create a component, okay, page not found. Commonly you will be seeing this name, page not found. Let's create this new component with the name page not found. Okay, let's create here the route. So at the end I am creating the path which is not found, okay. So please load the component which we are having page not found, okay. So we need to load the component page not found component, okay. So we need to load this component. So we will be developing we will be routing this one. So whoever the user types here, user reaches the not found page, we need to redirect him to page not found. Now we have created a page not found page, and now here we will so add this one. So don't forget to add this one in the declarations also, okay. We need to add this one in the declarations also. So we have added page not found, and we will go to the page not found.html. Here what I will try to do, I will try to create here page not found. I will write here page not found, okay. Now this one is also done. Now let's go to output here, and when I try to write not found, okay, we are showing that page not found. It is showing page not found. Fine, perfect. Now if I type anything here, we need to redirect it to the page not found, okay. Not found URL we need to redirect. So how we can redirect here? Here we need to write at the end of the thing, we need to write here path, okay. We don't know the path, so the user may type anything he wants, okay, something, anything he wants. So how we can represent that one? We will be using double star, okay. So the path which doesn't matches anything at the top, okay, top, you need to remember that, you need to write it at the bottom only. If the path doesn't matches anything other than these all the paths, please redirect to, okay, anything redirect to, you'll be having a special key that is redirect to. So please redirect to the path you want to redirect. So I will be redirecting it to the not found. So the path whichever doesn't matches any this one, so I will be redirecting it to the not found, okay. So I am moving it into only one single source, single path, not found, okay. Now if I go here and if I refresh it, this one, it will work fine, okay. And now I will write something gibberish here. Now it will go to, let's observe it, it went to not found. See, so observe the URL. So if I am typing anything other than this one, it will move to the not found, okay. So in this way we will move all the pages which doesn't match anything outside the root, so we will move it to the not found. Now for example, see, if you write it at the top here, this star 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 thing, okay. So I have written it at the top, okay. Now if you write it at the top, if you see any home page or anything, okay, let it compile, okay. Fine. and now any file, okay, so if you write any users or anything, any file, it will go to the not found page only. If you observe here, it will go to the not found page only. Why? Because at the first time only the path is matching, so that is the reason it is going to the not found. So that is the reason you need to add all the time this star at the final, at the last line only, last path only. So any path doesn't matches only, then it will go to the not found. Now if I refresh the page, so if I go to home page or anything, so everything will work fine. So anything that doesn't matches the route, so it will go to the not found page. So in this way we can design our custom 404 page in the Angular. So this is the wildcard route entry. So that means wildcard. So if any path doesn't matches, so we'll be redirecting it to the not found page. Okay, so if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.